Okay, so when I ran a compression check on this, I had 120 pounds here, 150, 150, and then 60 back here. In fact, I had 60 on both these rear cylinders and this one over here, and all of those had a broken ring. I just pulled out the one here that had 100 pounds on it. It also has a broken ring. In fact, there's just a piece of a ring there. Right there. So, good thing to pull them out. Alright. So, what comes next? That's number 1. I'm going to put these in some kind of order over here. That looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 there. So, this one here is number 2. There's 1, 2 here, and 7 and 8 there. So, let's pull out a couple more. I went ahead and knocked this one loose a while ago, so I can go ahead and slide that one out. That one had a broken ring also. Well, I found one that did not have a broken ring. That would have been one of the ones with 150 pounds. Oh, the joy. That one had a broken ring also. I think we had 7 broken rings in this motor. So as it turned out, it was a good idea to do what we did and take them all out. I hope none of the cylinders have been turned, because I ordered a standard set of rings for it. I didn't have a micrometer, but I figured I'd just take a chance, order a set, because I don't use them on this one, I'll use them on another one somewhere along the way. But that's a good way to determine if they've been bored or not, because if I put them in there, then the rings will tell me if it's an oversized piston or not. So, all the pistons are out. I believe I'm going to remove the crankshaft also. That way when I'm honing the cylinders, I won't be as liable to, well, it'll just keep it cleaner. It'll give me a chance to see what these main bearings look like too. So that'll be the next thing. I'm probably going to want to take the flywheel off, and I don't think I could get it off. I might can get it off without removing it from. Well, I might can get it off without taking it off the engine stand. I figure there's no harm in trying, right?